So the influence, mean changes entirely. The referees are bad. And complaining of referees' attitude there. Referees say, Mr. Tisa may follow this beautiful game. This beautiful game. The complaint has been there. Mr. Tisa may the ball. There are complaints. But influence on the match officials. And I decide no man. Influence on the match officials. Say the beauty of the game.
No, a bit me a influence. No, a bit me.
And I'm saying we don't have honest people in the game. Muntia, and young, Maman Cancho. The worst ever football association, me who over my lifetime, the current football association. I don't mean my worst.
The worst
ever football association, me who the current football association. This football association, and the last year, Yebo League. And now, there is a match, a course between Dreams FC and the football core club, Red Tamale United.
Okay.
The entire Red Tamale United football players, none of them travel to the Dreams game. And they impersonating a football club, Red Tamale United. And they say, I say no me Zoom Lion for Sabi. So no me a deal. And they do a ball match against Dreams FC. So Zoom Lion say no me a famous minimum.
So yeah, only a second team of RT Union.
They were not a second team of Red Tamale. They were not. They were up to date. Nobody can say football club no kobo bossa born only. Nobody can say that.
The players now RT in the
and I make a choice. And to catch him say any the West. You will know much over 6-1. 6-1 was the same. Yeah, both players in it say when Bobo ku Isaku Kamuno Wamunobo. Players say there be me to what Tamale. Born in Mobi Man Kobi.
My fans and firm say about 3 minutes of copper in him. I let come read as one.
Players and say, Min Kobio. Min you fear.
So your bomb diesel me change me.
The FA make sure that the results stood.
And it was against the FA president
team. The results need Gina. The only thing I remember is I say Red Tamale United are punish you find no more 100,000 Ghana cedis. 1 billion.
But near your hands were as good able game.
If you say me start to say me
and they go as good.
If you say me start to say me do football, menti bita, menti who about custom da. The only time that it came across 1990-91 league, there was a last game between Red Tamale United and Kumasi Cornerstones. Now Red Tamale United here a particular scoreline to stay in the league. So the football club called Kumasi Cornerstones decided not to go. Yes, a last league game almost into Manco. So yeah, Papa Lajuguza and Ajuno. He went around and picked cornerstone players, and they were cornerstone players. Obienim. So cornerstone himself born Emerson. Adechi anapa. The ball three. Now there was a cornerstone between Red Tamale United. Game going on.
Obiom a game named
Emerson. Yakoshe indeed a players are corners a register or mu. Our league in
Nebo.
And Nebo the 12 players in the coy. I think you show me 5-1. Also, no different because corners football club in Ekoye. And I think Omo Mazwa, any Omo equipment officer. So there was a corners team there, led by a large bruiser. They were beating 5-1. At that time, Alhaji Guza was, I think he was a board member of Cornerstones also. So what I say? Sure. And into any way, this is the worst football association ever made. Yabo match. Yes, Kwame na Numuni. Kwame na say men call ye minio me wa.
No fear.
Na team sheet na wodin wo so. Na ye atima identify aye atima investigation it was no correct. That is and the results of the game stood.
Isine.
Match player baako share 4 goals wo
ageni mboate say no na dey business
ewie
ya ton no
FA chairman on Ferrari o ma ton player and you are telling me that we the bit the entire enchimi njai said going for we will find another dishonest person contesting for the FA chairman. If he becomes the FA chairman, Obeka say maybe BBC cause of NC. Nti se menso so ekoso mame ahwe NC.
Na to aso kosa.
But that time no. Na FA chairman na ni team no mo battle for relegation somewhere kaya. Entenye for ye pe player na ton nko anti ena ye gi 4 goals no na say score line 2 mo.
Aleko Marashe 2 Basa 0.
But it was because of na ye pese ye ton FA chairman player. Enya no nti o. But na ye pese FA chairman club no. E ka wo league no.
Mate. Me da say. Eno Abubakar.
$1 million na mrebi omu de che no kwa de men news na yi. Yemfa nse amanfo na aka omu chiabo nso mbobọ kro no mabọ kro na. Do mu de che better for no.
Oh, ende say.
Ende me but say
ende
we Kwame.
Bida. Zuba, asaba bo atin